what's up and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be reviewing the Sugar Matte as Hell Crayon lipsticks in 5 different shades, and I also have one Wonder Woman lipstick. This was their special edition and this is in the shade Ballerina Ballet. So in Matte as Hell Crayon lipsticks I have 5 different shades which are very unique and beautiful, and the formula of these lipsticks is just amazing. I have tried so many cream lipsticks and crayon lipsticks, but this one is the best so far in all other brands. They retails for 799 rupees. I mean, I know it's a bit pricey, but as compared to other brands, they retails for more than 1000 rupees. So compared to the other brands, I feel that it is not that pricey. And if I'm not wrong, these just comes in 36 different shades, which is like wow. So many shades and all of them are so unique. Also they have got high coverage and excellent color payoff. So no doubt these lipsticks just consist one of the best formula when it comes to matte or crayon lipsticks. I will be showing you guys the swatches as well as the application of these lipsticks in the later part of this video. So let's just first start with the hand swatches. So the first shade is 08 Jackie Brown, and this one is quite brown orange tone shade. So you can see how this one looks like. This one is a very pretty shade and you can also wear it on regular basis. Now the second shade is 14 Violet Crawley. Yeah, Violet Crawley the name is. And let me show you the swatch. So this is how this color looks like. It looks a little bit darker when you apply it on your lips, but on hand it's looking a little bit light. But yeah, you can see the shade. This is a pretty grapefruit color. Now the third shade is 13 Murphy Brown. This one is such a gorgeous shade. This one is not the color you can wear every day because it's a little dark. This shade looks so expensive. I mean, when you will wear it, it will give the feel of as if like you have worn some very expensive lipstick. Let me show you the color. So this is the Murphy Brown and it looks a little bit dark on the lips again, which you will see during the application, and this is actually one of my favorite shades among all. Now the fourth lipstick I have is 30 Lillian Rose, and this one is a pretty neon pink color. Now just want to tell you guys that I do not apply this lipstick on its own. Like, I don't wear this lipstick alone because I feel it's too bright and I'm not used to wearing very bright lipsticks, but I use it as a topper on other lip shades to make them a little lighter or just to give a pop of pink color on the center of my lips. So I just use this one and it works amazing. Let me guys show you the swatch of this one as well. And the fifth lipstick is called Brandy Harrington. Its name has completely gone because I have used it so much. You can see only this much amount is left. So you can see this one is not too brown, not too red, just in the middle of both of these two colors, which looks absolutely amazing when you wear it. And last but not the least, I have one shade from the Wonder Woman lipstick. I found this shade the prettiest among all, and again this one has the same formula. It is absolutely creamy, very much pigmented, stays for a very good amount of time, and this is the color. And where to do the swatch? Okay. So the only difference I found between the Matte as Hell Crayon lipsticks and the Wonder Woman collection is that these lipsticks are retractable. You can just twist and the product will come out. Otherwise, the Matte as Hell Crayon lipsticks are not retractable. You have to sharpen them to get the product. They also provide a sugar sharpener with these lipsticks. So the sharpening thing is one drawback, and another drawback is that these lipsticks are super transferable. We can't do anything related to sharpening because that's a packaging thing and we don't have control on that, but we can definitely prevent our lipstick from staining at different places. And I'm gonna teach you a very simple hack in this video, how to prevent your creamy lipsticks from staining, as well as you can make your lipsticks very long lasting by this simple hack. It is very simple and anybody can do it. So all you have to do is just take a facial tissue like this. You can even take any normal tissue as well if you don't have facial tissues, and just take your loose powder. I'm taking the K Beauty loose powder. This is one of the best drugstore loose powder I have come across so far. So just hold the tissue like this between your lips, open it, take your loose powder and pat it on your lips. And then just remove it. the lipstick will not transfer at all. So now let's just begin with the application of these lipsticks. And before getting started, if you are new to my channel and haven't subscribed, then please do subscribe to my channel. And now let's begin with the lip swatches. So these were the swatches of Sugar Crayon lipsticks. These are super creamy, and as you saw, they don't dry your lips. These lipsticks won't give an effect of that layered thing at all. I mean, it will look really smooth and silky no matter how many layers you apply. These won't look very cakey, or you won't feel the heaviness on your lips. They are super comfortable. So yeah guys, I just love these lipsticks, and you can just blindly trust the shades on the website, or you can just go to their stores and try the lipstick. I'm sure you're gonna absolutely love it and you won't regret spending 800 rupees on these lipsticks. So yeah, that was all for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any suggestions or queries, you can leave them in the comment section below. I will see you guys soon in the next video. Till then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.